I will show you the exact steps I used in making profit trading arbitrage on Celer Network. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining us, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so you get updated every time I drop a new post. Celer Network. First thing I needed to do to trade the arbitrage on Celer Network was to come to CoinMarketCap or go to Etherscan and then copy their contract address from Ethereum, because I'll be using Ethereum network to facilitate this transaction. So the first thing I did was copy the contract address. I got to the page and copied it. So after copying it, I exited out of my browser and went straight to Trust Wallet. Now my Trust Wallet, as you can see, I have a few balance, my Tether USDT, and this is what I'm planning to use to execute this trade. So the next step I took was, or I'm going to take, is click on the discover. Now once you click on the discover, put your cursor on the on this search bar and then type in Valeris Network. Valeris Network. This is a DeFi platform that allows you to do DeFi operations. Now the next thing to do once you're connected here is make sure that you've connected your wallet. Now if you've not connected your wallet, it will show a wallet logo here asking you to connect. Then if you're on a desktop, it will be clear to see connect wallet. But I am connected already, that's why you can see my wallet here. So I can come to the wallets, and this same wallet that is connected is the same one you're seeing on my Trust Wallet itself. So all this aside, the next thing to do will be to click on the menu and go to swap. Once you're here, make sure that this network at the top here, this one is Ethereum is selected, because what we're doing is on Ethereum. So once that is clear, the next thing to do will be to toggle this swap button and then click on the ETH. Now once I click on the ETH, what I want to do here is to import my token, to import the Celer token. So the next thing to do will be to click on the imports and give it a few seconds to process. I think this is almost, yes, we have imported our Celer token into our wallet. Now once this is done, the next thing you want to do is to carefully think of the price you want to, or the amount you want to invest in this investment, or how much you want to put in. For me, I'll be putting in, I think I'll use about, say, maybe $5,000. I'll use the entire profit or the entire amount I have on my USDT wallet to do this transaction. So to do this, the first thing I need to do is to, not switching that over again. So the first thing I needed to do was to come here and then provide the amount that I want to use for swapping. So this will be 5,000 USD. Now 5,000 USD is going to result about I think this is 2.3 million Celer tokens. So click on the swap. Once you click on the swap, you click on the confirm swap. Give this a few seconds to process, and as you can see, we have successfully done the swap. Now you can close out of this and exit out of the platform itself to your Trust Wallet. Now I can come back to my home, and as you can see, I have my Celer token here. But I want you to pay attention to the value it is giving me. Now instead of me having $5,000 worth of Celer token, because we used 5,000 USDT to do this, I am getting around 5,699. Now we can click on this Celer token and click on the activities, so we'll watch the transaction history, and then the next thing to do will be to, as you can see here, we have 5K for 2.4 million Celer tokens, and this turned out to be about 5,699. So this was an easy win of 699 USD in less than 5 minutes. So guys, if this video has been helpful, do not forget to subscribe, click on the like button, also turn on the bell notification icon so you'll be updated anytime I release new content. And also, if you have any confusions, do not forget to put them on the comment section. Stay good.